Cool. Yeah, it's coming from the bridge over that direction. Pictures of the old ammunition factory. Still there and used, but not as a ammunition factory. Recycling factory by the look of it. It's all derelict this side. Oh, I had a quick peek in that door. There's nothing in there. Nothing exciting anyway. Yeah, they've got new cameras over, which is fine. That's all broken, all that kind of stuff, yeah. Shame really, but if they're going to do that, keep the place safe. Because what's the other side? But yeah, bit of a shame. Of course, go up here a sec. Oh, inside the trees of the river way. That's river actually. Called bunkers. Check these bunkers out. Well, I think they're bunkers anyway. Could be air raid shelters. I think that's what they are. It makes sense they're air raid shelters because there's the factory. Wow, very cool. Yeah. Right. Got some pics. I don't know if they shelters, I'm not too sure. Get back out here. Get my torch-ish. Oh, grass bite. I don't know how much you're going to see with this little flashlight, but okay. Yeah, air raid shelters. Nice. Whew. Yeah, there we go. C2. There's a spider. Right, I hate spiders. Could be the toilet, I guess. I don't know. Oh. See him again. Yeah. Very cool. Concrete roof, as you would have thought, but a shelter and glass wall. Let's see. Rooms we went into is obviously be exactly the same. This factory. Go this way. Yeah, it's exactly the same. I believe that's the original door. That bit of wood there. Massive mozzie, so that's good. I'm going. Good like mosquitoes. Right. Cool. Very neat. You can actually see how thick the roof is. Yeah, solid roof on that, so those are not designed to take a direct hit. If a bomb hit that, then you'd be safe from that. That's the idea. And there's another air raid shelter up there, and there should be another one at the top. Because according to map there should be 3. So, but yeah, you can see they're here actually. Right, where's my phone? Get some pickies. Under the shade it's really nice and cool. Yeah, there's a third up there, so the map was right this time. 3 air raid shelters. It'll be exactly the same as each other, exactly standard built. So yeah, I don't need to go in any of those ones. So yeah, very cool indeed. Unfortunately the other ones we can't get onto. It's inside the industrial park. And yeah, it's not the kind of man I want to go and ask, but yeah, there they are. Really cool. Oh, mozzies. Right. I've got a feeling that could be the original fencing to go around it. Cool. Good bit there. I'll get back to the pour. See the entrance place in there. Big blast wall. I don't know if this place was bombed or not, I'm not too sure. But I'll say looking at the history of the place when I get home. Very cool indeed. Oh, yeah. Very neat. Yeah, slightly annoyed I can get to that into that tunnel, but on the plus side it saves me back from my camcorder, so hey, it's all good fun there. So exploring. There's those shelters again before we go. Yeah, cool. Time for a nice coffee.